So welcome guys in my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 20 traits of the successful data analyst. So if you are working in company as a data analyst or business analyst, what is the skills and what is the necessary things that you must do while you work in your company? So first of all, I would say documenting every steps in analysis. So you must have documentation of your work. You need to work step by step, like you need to understand the importance of documentation, uh, facilitate the reproductivities, builds up trust in results. You have to be excellent in SQL, Python, or many other like Excel. These skills are necessary for data analyst, and also you need to improve your workflow, structured your note, streamline the analytics process for researchers, and supports peer review. So these are the first of all, I would say you need to do uh, this documentation in your at your work. Second, I would say ensuring the data quality before analysis. You have big data set, and you need to maintain the quality of your data. You need to do data validation in your analysis, understanding the garbage in and garbage out, importance of validation and methods of data quality check. This is also important for data analysis. Also monitoring the version control in development. So importance of version control and tracking every changes that you done in your at your work. Also, I would say thorough the data exploration practices. You need to understand the data context to enhance insights. Also, you must have the you need to understand the importance of context in data analysis. Thorough your exploration prevents you need to properly maintain the data exploration. You need to think in the data review. Also, this is the process in the data investigation. So data exploration should be an iterative process, allowing for continuous refinement and deeper understanding. Also, at your work you need to automated scripts enhance efficiency. You need to understand the importance of efficiency and automation of reporting tasks. Also, maintain the error reduction and focus on core activities. You also need to understand the reusable code libraries for data analysis. You how to maintain the error reproduction, knowledge sharing, and efficiency thorough reuse. Also, testing the assumptions through validation. Uh, you need to you need to understand the power of multiple validation techniques, like reformed decision making, or reducing bias, and real world applications, and iterative testing. Also, you need to understand the logical organization of product, like need to navigable workspace and accessibility for all. uh, these all are the steps you need to understand while you do a logical organization of project files. Also, seeking the peer review for critical work, leveraging the team's insights for better results, like importance of fresh perspectives and finding the blind spot, enhancing your collaboration, and improving final output. Do your work in the continuous learning in a rapidly changing industry. You need to enhance your knowledge as a professional, the growth. You need to understand that adaptability is key, and lifelong it's just a lifelong learning. uh, you need to understand the different technologies that are implementing in our data analysis. Like we have AWS and cloud. Also, we have Azure from Microsoft. These are the like cloud platforms you also need to understand. get your certification, and you can do your ML and AI task if you have some good certification and you understand the new concepts. So that's why it is important to continuous learning, and because this industry is very rapidly changing, and we can't rely on some basic stuff like SQL and Excel. We also need to understand the like AI and machine learning. So these are the utilize the technology, I would say. Also prioritize the business impacting projects. Focus on a real world project that have real world data. We have many different websites for data sets. You can use those data sets to do your analysis and add in your resume, so it will impact differently. So these are the like it must be the like prioritize like businesses. Okay, so it will help the data driven insights and uh, resources allocation, and yeah, so these are the important things, I would say. Also mastering clarity in technical communication. The importance of clarity, that technical brilliance is inefficient without clear communication. You need to understand the communication is key, and for that uh, you must be understand like how you can talk with the your colleagues in a technical communication. Like storytelling is also important. Practice your communication, like rehands like presentations, like, and also like you need to understand the uh, avoiding jargons, limit technical terms to ensure accessibilities for all audience. Also you need to understand the readable and well commanded code. Your code must be readable for your colleagues and your peers, like they should know understand the what's you write on in and what is the logic behind that. So also you need to use comments on that. Also enhancing data security with backup systems. Why robust backup systems are essential and critical importance of data backup. uh, if you wrote some codes, and you must have some backup plans for that, and also you can store your data in a different platforms. So learning through analytical mistakes. We 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 got error almost every day, and we have to face it, and we have to solve those errors. And by doing that we can learn just by practices, right? Also building strong stakeholder relationships. Like if you are doing data analysis, you must have different data set, like sales data and stakeholder, and different calculations in that. So maintain the stakeholder relationships, breaking down complex project effectively. So this is also important for data analysis. Ensuring the proper security for sensitive data, understanding the importance of data security compliance. So these are also the important thing that you must have when you do your data analysis. Creating visualization that narrate the role of narrative in efficient uh, visualization. You need to also understand the feedback loop here, and recognizing evidence over bias, active evidence seeking, and understanding the confirmation bias. If you are a data analyst, valuable analyst beyond the tools, collaborative as a strength, and expertise over tools. And you also need to understand the critical thinking skills, and we can't just rely on tools. uh, we also need to think logically, like how this code work and what is the logic behind that. Yeah, so these are the few things that I would say you need to understand and keep in mind when you work as a data analyst in your company.